Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ng powers ko to.
This is our face before.
Before hiking.
Hindi natin masabi kung ilang oras eh. Before the hike.
Before the hike.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a day.
One layer out.
Ang dami pa ng layer.
Yeah, kasi alam ko malamig, kasi init. Time to go. Aesthetic check. O, ano itsura? After 1 mile. 1 mile pa lang.
May charcuterie ni Andrew.
May balak mag-charcuterie sa hiking.
Nurse na may dalang ano, charcuterie tsaka ano, tawag ng supply. Para saan? May dala ka Mediplas?
Baka may mad pa.
Yung mga tornilyo ko sa paa.
Baga.
Akala ko may dala ka ding IB.
Ready na?
Let's go.
Let's go?
Yes.
Kaya na.
Go. Na ulit.
Tour guide.
Go ahead, go. Go ahead. Don't worry, we're slow.
O kaya, Chay, suka mo na yan.
Chay, dito ka.
Meron akong cough drops.
Yeah.
That will help. O yung ano ko.
I know. Teka lang. Tita.
Kaya may ngayon, nagbibideo ko.
Ay, hindi ko dala yung...
May nagsusuka ni, wala akong pakialam.
Wala kang makuha March 23. Ay, may April, May, February 23. March Sunday.
Everything moderation.
One, two, three. Dito kita yan.
Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so greasy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So
Sarap. Game?
Wait lang, Jeff, ako naman dito.
Yan. Umupo ka lang, lalayuan ko para kita yung titing ba to.
Palik symbol.
Ako picture.
Pabalik na sila lahat.
Kaya nga para hintayin namin kayo. You should ano lang, kung ano man yung pace nila, yun yung sundin nila.
Yan siya, Erika, para ka nagpo-push ng tae, para
gumilid
bumaba
ka.
heart rate mo.
Gumilid ka. Ano yung highlight mo si Che? Last time si Pete.
I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So
Diba? Madali na lang. Ano na, kumusta na si Mami?
Nag-give up. Oh, good.
Mag-give up yan. Kaya niya yun.
Nice. Okay na. Medyo okay na.
Pahinga ka muna.
Mag-ano
Ang
ka?
banana dapat.
Ay, di.
Ayo, may mga naglalakad
Oo,
na.
malapit na. Kaya mo yan.
No, that's it. That's the end.
Malapit ka na, girl. Pahinga lang.
8 minutes.
8 minutes na ano, time is 3.
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Dalhin mo yung
Press.
Bubuhatin ka namin.
Yung bag. Gusto mo dalhin ni Jeff? Ano?
No, bigat na nga ng pagdit.
We're here. Diba? Isipin mo yung mga anak mo naka-hostage sa taas, diba? Yun na lang.
We did it.
rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the life. some light. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have.
Picture.
It'll be like the movies, be like the movies.
Okay na?
Rich people dreaming. Rich people
Eh.
dreaming.
Yeah.
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Worth it ba?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Ang pagod dito. Kayo. O yung bilbil ko!
Wala namang bilbil. Eh, natatakot ako.
Kaya mo yan.
Slide mo lang yung ano. Ito naman ang picture.
Naka-video ka.
Oh. Alam mo yung fairness sa high
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Okay ka lang? Nakapahinga ka na?
Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich.
Fuck. We made it. Thank you.
It's hard.
It
It's
is.
not hard. It's not easy.
Matagal pa sila?
Oo.
Oh,
Palit
shit.
pa lang sila ng parking.
Congrats, Lara.
Good job, Lara! Lara!
Nakatapos.
Kaya nga. Kung hindi siya mainit.
Start to end.
Sana hindi naman mag-ano si Ate Che. This is not the last.
Tingnan ko yung ano. Yung...
Bubusog na tayo. Ay, para siyang ano yung hindi pinreserve na Magnum.
Yay! Good job!
May lata dito.
Good job! Halika, hina tayo.
Perfect!
Nakahanap lang ako ng Korean barbecue.
Fucking shit.
Okay? Oo, okay?
How was it? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka mag-give up eh.
May
So, pag-
paakyat pa ulit. Pababa na eh, masarap na eh. Tapos pala may paakyat pa ulit.
Hindi uminit ulo mo yung puro pababa tas may surprises na ano, pataas.
Tahimik na lang kami dalawa, hindi na kami nag-uusap eh. Pareho. Kaya natin ito eh. Parang counted na to for the whole month na.
Kaya nga, once a month. Ang tina-target nga namin talaga,
Once a month.
once a month para realistic siya. Kapag sinabi kasing twice a month or
Oh my
every
God,
week,
ito na
Hindi
katumbas
siya-
na 1 month
yeah.
exercise.
hindi siya realistic na magja-jive lahat ng schedule, lalo na si Beats. Ilang miles sa'yo ang na-register?
7.99.
Oh, nice.
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.